welcome to my Jennifer Lee boot collection haul. You can wear these boots in fall, you can wear them in spring. There's only 3 that I'm not going to try on today. So these are the pink houndstooth boots by I Am Jennifer Lee. They have a gold cap on the toe. They have the gold heel, gold toe, suede, and then it's houndstooth. These are so cute, y'all. You can wear them with boots. I mean, they're thigh high, so you can wear them with jeans, with tights. These are great for the winter. In the fall, if it's super cold, these can take you all the way into February. I absolutely love these. They have a side zipper to them, and these are just extra cute. If you wanted to cuff them down, you could, but I mean, it's houndstooth, so why would you? And I got these in a size 39. The calf width on these, because they lace up, will support a calf muscle that's like 18 and a little larger. Okay, so like I said, I'm having her model the boots for me today, because now that I'm more of a plus size friendly girl, the calf dimensions I believe stop at 17, and I'm like a 17 and a half. If I eat 2 hamburgers, I'm an 18 in the calf muscle. Okay, so being that she falls into like a little 16-inch calf measurement around, I had her demonstrate the boots until I lose about 25 pounds, and then I can be back in my boots. Going to the next one. This one right here is one of my faves. I cannot remember the names of any of these 3 that I'm showing y'all, but let's jump into it. These have crocodile lined, has the gold detailing here, has the patent leather on the toe, has the calf hair on the side. I got rid of my Uggs for these, okay? That's how comfortable they are. And please wear socks with y'all's Uggs. They have the sheep fur on, well, is it sheep fur? Sheep? I don't know. Sheep fur, and they're lamb skinned on the inside. Absolutely love these. I wear these so much in the fall and the winter till it is ridiculous. Okay, so these right here, y'all, are some of my favorite. These are the 2 BD Cayman black and gold croc embossed leather studded high thigh high boots. It has lambskin lining. It has a back zipper right here in the back. The detailing, look at this, right? So the zipper comes up to about knee length, and then so these you can definitely wear with jeans or anything like that. Crocodile embossed. To always get compliments. Always get compliments. The heel is about 4.72 inches high. That's what she has on the website. So it's almost a 5-inch heel. The way the shoe is constructed, you will not feel like that at all. So this one is like, you have the flat, right, with the chunky type flat heel. And then you have this one, honey, with like the little stiletto heel. She the heel. Same boot, same concept, just different styles, right? So this one here has a side zipper, where as opposed to this one, it laces up. So this one, y'all, you can wear this with like some cargo pants with the elastic at the bottom of the cargo pant. You can wear them with so many different things. Jeans, tights, a skirt. Like if you had like a badass little leather skirt or something like that, and you wanted to wear these, honey, you would set stuff off. So this also has the crocodile, has the side zipper, lambskin lined on the inside. Now this one does not have the fur. Patent leather on the heel and the toe. Like I said, the calf leather here, heel here, calf leather here, and then it's about a 4 to 4.75 inch heel, so almost a 5-inch heel. But y'all, the way they are, they're so comfortable, you don't feel like they're that high. Okay, let me tell you, one thing I really love about her shoes is they are super comfortable. Like these are so everything. They are thigh high, they are crocodile, they have the green kind of like chucked heel, and the gold on the heel, and it's a chucked heel, and then gold on the toe. Kind of give you like that cowgirl look towards the front. So as you guys can see, they like dip down here. They so sexy. The zipper is on the, all right, they have the side zipper here, right here, so they blend in really good to where you wouldn't even know. Right here in the back, they do just like they do in the front with the top dips. Y'all, these are so sexy. These are always all Jennifer Lee's boots, heels, everything that I have by her are always just really good. People are always, I get stopped in the airport, I get stopped when I go to stores. Baby, I just get stopped, and I love it because I'm definitely a heels girl, and I love a good boot with a good heel. This one is a showstopper for me. I absolutely love her. On, off, just looking at her, it is see-through, so you do get to see like your skin complexion through the boot, like that little peekaboo thing. And then the Australian crystals, baby, they are so gorgeous. It's suede, so you have suede on the cap of the toe, up the middle right here, going all the way up the boot, along the back of the boot with the zipper, and on the heel. So these I would definitely say should be a winter, because I'm really big on if it has suede. I wear it during winter, but I have worn these in fall. I've worn these in fall with shorts. I've worn these during fall with skirts. I've worn these during fall with dresses, and I've worn these in fall with jeans. It's safe to say this one goes from the fall to winter, and this boot is gorgeous. Okay, y'all, these are everything. They are see-through. You can't really see through them unless you look down at the feet right now, because she has on black tights underneath them. But these are mink, and I think they were leopard and mink, or zebra and mink. I'll go back and look in the description and plug that in. But these are like the high fashion runway edition. These were very much a limited edition by Jennifer Lee, and I absolutely, honey, you put these on, you stopping everywhere you go. Real mink, y'all, okay? The zipper is right here along the back, as you guys can see, and it goes all the way down. These come up a little bit above the knee. They're still considered thigh highs, but a little bit above the knee. These are going to be very much true to size, because there is no stretch in these. These are mesh and mink, no stretch whatsoever. This is the perfect winter boot. All right, so just to show y'all in person, because when she had them on, but you see that they're see-through. So if you don't wear anything under there, you're going to see through. They are absolutely gorgeous, because I want them to show up on camera for y'all. It's mesh all the way around the bottom, right? The heel is suede, lambskin lined on the inside. This is that girl. I need to lose weight to get back into her, because this is that girl. It's her trying to get on me because I done gained some weight, okay? All right, so I want to show y'all what happens when you gain weight, because everything gains weight together. So my calves are about 17 and a half to 18 going around, right? In the actual calf muscle. So this is about as far as I can get them to zip now. So I can't fit my boots, y'all. And she in here talking about, let me just show y'all what we was doing. So I told her to tuck the calf in, right? And make it work. Go. I'm gonna suck it in.
How you gonna suck in your calf?
Will it work?
No, we just talked about this.
I need a corset for my calf.
Oh wow.
Yeah, you're not even trying.
I tried. There's no point to carry through.
If I lay like this. Okay, back to our regular scheduled program. So these are also the 2BD, right? These are thigh high. These have the studs as well. They're in gold. The back zipper, just like the other ones. The difference is these are suede, right? So this is only a winter boot. That's what I would say. I wear suede in the winter. I don't really wear suede in the fall, but you can. Baby, they so cute. They are so cute. These, I had to get them. I had to cop them in the crocodile, like y'all saw earlier, and get them again in the suede, because they're everything. So comfy to walk in. So like just beautiful boots. And that is the denim driftwood. And I absolutely love this one as well. It is leather, lambskin, denim. Okay. The whole thing, look at the detailing on this. So it's like black, brown, the blue. On the back, honey, it has the red strip. This gives me like New York for real, like New York fashion for real. Like when you see the girls walking around in these certain heels and boots and stuff. Timberland's Wished, okay? Timberland's Wished. I absolutely love these. And she has these in other color variations as well. So these are usually like a special edition as well. She'll drop them and then come back and drop something else. I said, no, this is not black, y'all. It's navy blue. So it's navy blue, denim, chocolate, has red stitching here, and red leather up the back here. The inside, how cute is this? Do y'all see that? Look. Okay, these are the yellow tiger calf hair. So it's real calf hair. These are also, all her things come personalized as well. These are also lambskin lined, and they are beautiful, baby. Now, if you're looking for a boot and all of this stuff that's gonna be your everyday, not give you some extra, not give you some style, not make you stand out, Jennifer Lee is not for you. When I say the celebrities go to Jennifer Lee and customers go to Jennifer Lee because you are truly a fan of her shoes. They're like wearable art. I just love them. These are badass. You pair them however you want to, style them however you want to. They are badass. The only complaint I have, look at the zipper and this, I love this. But turn to the front. The only thing I have an issue with, and these, even if your calf is bigger, you can still get into these because they lace up. But being that it is the leather on the laces, over time they will crack a little bit. See that? They will crack a little bit as you adjust the boot to fit your need. But baby, these are everything. Okay, so this one here is the pink. Okay, you stop walking. Sorry. Okay, I feel like an animal. Okay, so these are the pink houndstooth boots by I Am Jennifer Lee. Robin. What does y'all? I stopped for you. Oh my God. What do you want from me? I want you not to be walking like this. Okay, just stand there. Just don't walk. Right there. Just. Okay, yeah, just push your legs out. Sit down and let's model the boots first. Okay. Okay. I hope that y'all enjoy part 2 of this collection for my Jennifer Lee boots. Part 3 is going to be the rest of the heels that I have from her. So part 1 is heels, part 2 is strictly boots, and then part 3 is going to be all the rest of the heels that I did not show you guys that I've accumulated over time. You can go and check her out at IamJenniferLee.com. You can go and check her out on Instagram. She's super sweet. We follow each other on Instagram before my Insta got hacked. She's not following me on my new one. But that's because I plan to get back into my Instagram. But needless to say, she's super sweet. I've talked with her several times in the DMs, in the comments. Her customer service, fast, quick, shipping, fast and quick. And the reason I say that is it comes from Canada and they come via DHL, if I'm correct, and never had a problem. All my stuff was delivered properly, never had any issue. The one heel that I had where it had like some kind of little small malfunction, she immediately came in and sent me out the new part or hardware, should I say, for the shoe. So if you are looking for a shoe, for a boot, honey, that is going to give you chic, classy, but still extra at a little bit of time, wearable art, showstoppers, y'all. I've been in airports, stores, going out, church, nightclubs, and well, I shouldn't say nightclubs, but like, just going out with friends or going out with Beau. Every time I wear I Am Jennifer Lee, I am stopped. I am stopped. I am stopped. She's known for her furs. She's known for her boots. She's known for her heels. This is not sponsored. This is just me giving y'all the tea. So I hope y'all enjoyed this today.